In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop images using Davinci Resolve. This is a quick and handy skill to master, especially if you're getting into video editing or graphic work and want to refine the details of your project. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to open up Davinci Resolve on your computer. This is where all the magic happens, so make sure you have it installed and ready to go. If it's your first time using Davinci Resolve, don't worry, the interface might look a bit intimidating, but we'll break it down step by step. Once you've launched the application, proceed to import the image you'd like to crop. You'll find the option to import on the top left corner under the File menu. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear where you can then select Import. Now that your image is imported, make sure it's selected in your media pool. You can typically find your media pool in the lower left section of your workspace. Once you have your image highlighted, you've set the stage to begin cropping. Head over to the right side of the screen. This is where you'll see various tools and options for your project. Specifically, you're looking for the cropping section. This is a powerful little tool that allows you to bring your focus to a specific part of your image and remove any unwanted areas. With the cropping section visible, you'll notice several sliders. These sliders control the amount you crop from each edge of the image, top, bottom, left, and right. Simply click and drag any of these sliders to adjust the crop to your liking. It's worth taking a minute here to get a feel for how these sliders affect your image. A little move can make a big difference in framing your image just right. It's all about finding that perfect balance. Remember, as you're adjusting, you can visually see the changes happening in real time. This immediate feedback makes it easier to decide on the perfect crop. If you're trying to focus on a particular subject within the image or eliminate distractions, make sure to preview your work by toggling the visibility of other layers or elements, ensuring your newly cropped image aligns perfectly with your project's objectives. Once you're satisfied with the crop, the hard part is over. Davinci Resolve automatically saves your adjustments, so there's no need to worry about losing your progress as you experiment. If you wish, you can export your cropped image or continue working within your Davinci Resolve project. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to crop an image in Davinci Resolve. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to take more control over your editing projects. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy editing.